So, welcome to part 2 of this video. If you have not seen part 1, I will link it at the end of this video or in the description box for your viewing pleasure. Hey! Alright, so part 1 is just showing you how I achieved this color. This hair is from Arabella Hair, and it did color really good. I did have a little bit of imperfections in the color, but that's on my part, not because of the hair. Alright? And I didn't get shedding from this hair. I did get shedding when I cut the lace off, but that was about it. And other than that, the color was bomb, you know. So I thought, you know, let me try to put in some curls, even though I don't know how to curl. So I had to FaceTime one of my best friends, and she kind of guided me through it. So like I'm practicing curling, and I tried. I didn't show you guys how I did that. I mean, I did a little bit, but not a lot. So the reason why I'm going in with my flat iron is because I didn't want the hair too puffy. I wanted it somewhat silky-ish. So I went in with my flat iron. And my favorite flat iron to use to flat iron all of my hair is my Nano Titanium. You can order this off of Amazon. It is worth it. Oh my god. And if you actually know how to flat iron, you don't necessarily need an expensive flat iron to flat iron. All you need is a flat iron that goes up to $4.50, and girl, you are set. And I've gotten a flat iron from Target that's $4.50, and it does the exact same thing. So you do not need a $150 flat iron. But back in the day, I thought I did. So that's the reason why I bought that. But you can, if you are interested in purchasing this flat iron, I will leave a link in the description box, as well as the curlers that I use if you are interested. Those are Ion as well. No, yeah, those are Ion, and my flat iron is titanium. So basically what I'm doing is going through the wig, and I am just straightening it, like one pass through, straightening it. Alright, so now I have my little raggedy braids that I need to get rebraided, and I've just been dreading it. I've just been feeling lazy during this pandemic. Y'all just don't understand. But so I'm gonna put my little stocky cap on, because I picked this one because I already had makeup on. So I was like, let me just reuse this. And because this is a closure, it was easy, and I just did like the glueless method, because I did sew an elastic band on the inside of this wig. So this is the wig right here, all curled up. She looking cute with her gingery self. Like, I was like, what should I name this? A lot of you guys was like, as told by ginger and like fire and stuff like that. But this is really a cute color on dark skin tones. Like, girl, like I was really happy with this. So I'm gonna take my elastic bands, and I'm gonna put it behind my head, and I'm gonna just plop this wig on and just adjust the lace. Once I get the lace situated, I am going to go in and take out my little pins that I have keeping my curls up. I ran out of my little duckbill clips, so I ended up using bobby pins on the other side, which was cool. I noticed that I didn't wrap or set my curls right, and that's probably the reason why they fell so fast. But the wig still have its wave in it, so the hair curls really good, because I'm looking at the wig right now. It curls really good. It's just me. Like, I gotta just, you know, thug it out and figure out how to actually curl the proper way and to pin my curls the proper way. If y'all know a guru that knows how to curl bombly and that has tutorials on it, let me know down below in the comment section so I could go watch her videos, because, or his videos, because I need to learn. Like, yeah, but like my little curls is struggling, and I let these sit for like maybe, I think, 2 days, because I curled it and then I just didn't feel like putting on a wig or doing my makeup. But I just, like I said, I haven't been feeling like doing anything. So this wig did sit for 2 days, so I was like, okay, well, if it's sitting for 2 days and it's clipped, then my curls should be cool. But I think I combed them out too much. I'm just rambling. But yeah, so I'm going to take off all the clips, and then I'm going to take a small tooth comb just to comb down like the curl sectioning that I did. And then I'm going to take a wide tooth comb to break up the curls. So at this point, I was like, okay, girl, you got potential here. You got potential. So let me just cut off these seams on this lace and get this lace, like, you know, cracking or whatever like that. And after I did that, I was like, all right, I'm going to go in with my curler, and I'll curl the front of my face frame and curls over. And I think when I did that, that just set it off. Like, feel me? I was like, oh, I look cute. But like I said, I'm going to learn how to curl bombly. And once I do, y'all gonna always see curls. I think when it comes to me and curling, it's the wrist action. Like, my mental capacity does not comprehend this wrist action. Like, I'll be like, what? Like, I could do everything. I swear I'm a Jill of all trades. But when it comes to curling, girl, like, that shit, oh, I'm sorry. That blows my mind. Like, I just cannot, I can't get the gist of it. So I think I'm gonna pay for like a one-on-one session with somebody. Because I'm more of like a hands-on type of person, a hands-on learner. I mean, I'm a visual learner as well, but I like to be hands-on. All you got to do is show me how to do it once, and then I got it. Are you guys like that as well? Like, But I just knew right then when I did that curl, I was like, okay, like that little side swoop that's going to be right there is going to be fire. So I was like, let me do the other side. And then on my non-predominant, I mean, on my right side, I think it's my right side. I don't know what side. Yeah, my right side. Yeah. Like, that was hard because, like, you know, I could easily do my left side with my right hand. But when I'm doing my right side, it was just like awkward trying to figure out which way the curling iron went. But I did it. I did it. It came out okay. Like, I was like, okay, let me not mess with this and let me hurry up and finish this video before all my curls drop. So your girl was over here struggling, but I combed out the bottom of my hair too much, and next time I know not to do that. Like, I could comb through them, but don't comb through them too much. And I went ham. I was like, I'm about to be like Erica J when she just be like combing through that and it be fluffy. And I was like, But yeah, that little curl right there just gave me like hope. Like, okay, the front of your hair gonna look cute, at least for pictures. But yeah, this is the outcome of my Arabella hair. It was cute, you know. The color came out bomb. I love this color on me. Like, really love this color. I would definitely love this color in a frontal, because the frontal would hit so differently on me and my skin tone. You guys, I'm sorry if y'all can hear that, the beeps. But yeah, anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you are interested in this color tutorial, I will leave them at the end of this video, so just continue watching and I will have a link where you just click it. Okay, and until next time, bye, best friends.
Trend on the